Today's topic, the marquee tool, is a fundamental selection of tool in Photoshop that allows the user to select specific area and image in a geometric shape such as rectangle, square, oval, or circle. Make a selection of one of the most common actions you will do in a Photoshop, and the master the marquee tool and key photo editing, cropping, or even cutting the objects. One of the where to find marquee tool? When you open Photoshop, look at the toolbar. This is the toolbar on the left hand side of the screen. The marquee tool is the second tool of a top representation by dotted lines rectangle. Alternatively, press M on press M key on your keyboard to activate it. In another tool, select like an elliptical marquee tool. Hold down the mouse key and mark tool icon and drop will appears. Allow to switch between different types. Types of marquee tool. Rectangle marquee tool. Types of marquee tool. Let us take example for this. Rectangle marquee tool. This tool makes the rectangle or a square selection. It is perfect for cropping photos, cutting out regular selections, even creating the square graphics. For example, I will cut an object in my example photo. Let us unlock the layer. We can cut and move around the area of a Photoshop. You can move anywhere. Example, you want to crop out a rectangle position of a photo. Focus on the main subject. Focus on your main subject. This is my main subject here. I can simply drag out a rectangle using the tool and crop accordingly. And it makes some selection of rectangle. Let us copy, paste. I copied here and pasted some selection of it. Elliptical tool. This is the second marquee tool in a toolbar. This tool allows to select the oval shape. This tool allows the oval shape or a circular area. It is great for highlight circular object, creating the vintage effect. For example, like this. For example, kind like this. Copy, paste. Yeah, we add some inner glow. And opacity should be size. Or add some outer glow better. some kind of effect we are given for a object. Make some basic selection using rectangle marquee tool. Select the rectangular marquee tool for the toolbar. From toolbar, click and drag the image to create a rectangle square. You see the marching ends in dotted lines indicates that your boundary selections. Like for example, like this. Here the lines seeing in a display, and once you selected the area, click inside the selection and drag to reposition, edit and apply the filter within the selected area, and cut it and copy paste it. Cut, Ctrl X. This is the marquee tool in a Photoshop. It is a simple yet powerful tool that can make your edit process much smoother. Let us start it. The marquee tool is the first tool we can look at. You can find the toolbar on the left side. And press M to activate. By default, you start with the rectangle marquee tool. Here, rectangle marquee tool. Simply click and drag and make a selection. To make a perfect square, I will select here, hold shift key. You can move selection before finalizing by spacebar. Now you switch the elliptical marquee tool. You can make the circle or oval selection. Here we are selecting oval selection. You can crop the oval selection here. Or you can copy and paste somewhere else. Now you switch the marquee tool. You can make the circle oval selection. Hold shift again, make the perfect selection, and use the Alt or Option key to draw a center. Further, another great feature to soften edges, make a selection easier to blend into background. And remember, you are always add some subtraction from selection by holding the Shift or Alt key. That allows to fine tune your selection without having a start over. This is in depth look at the marquee tool. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget like, comment and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.